On the left-hand side, go to Audio, search for the audio that you want. So I'm going to search for any travel music. Make it instrumental. Let me see. Travel background music. I can preview it here. Oh, sounds pretty good. So if I like the music track, I can just click on it, hold it, and drag it to my presentation. And now when I present, so now the music is incorporated into my presentation, and I can also edit which part of the music I want to be in the presentation by clicking on the slip here. I can do beat sync, so I can sync all of my pages of my presentation to the music. And that's how you add sound to presentation. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.